Okay class, so today we'll be studying your chapter 6 of EVS, that is living together, and with this we'll be finishing our first unit, that is our environment. Okay, this will be the end of our first unit. So let's start. Living together means साथ में रहना, ठीक है. Together का मतलब होता है when you do something in a group, okay, एक साथ. Social behavior in ants and bees. Social behavior, social, you know, it means that to the society, to the people that are around us, okay, that means social. Fine. The true social insects have a real family life. All termites, all ants, many bees and some wasps are social insects. So these are some social insects. They live in organized communities. So they live in organized communities, okay, in which the members depend on one another. तो इन इंसेक्ट्स का भी एक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कमिटी होता है, ठीक, कम्युनिटी होता है. जस्ट लाइक अस, लाइक you know, we have our communities, right? Different type of communities we have divided people into different sections. So just like that, you know, they have also their organized community in which they depend on each other. Like हमारी फैमिली है, हमारी फैमिली के लोग हमें पता है कि अच्छा ये हमारी फैमिली के लोग हैं, so they depend on us. दूसरी फैमिली है, so they know कि वो उनकी फैमिली है and they are not a part of our family, so we are not responsible for them, they are not responsible for us, right? So a community of social insect is called a colony. You can see these ants, they are working together. So एक social insect का जो community होता है उसको हम colony बोलते हैं, ठीक है. There can be hundreds, thousands or millions of members in a colony, okay. एक insects के colony में there can be many members, like hundreds, thousands and millions of members, alright. Ants are the most successful social insects. So ants, okay, ants are the most successful social insects. Harvesters ants collect seeds and store them in their nest. So there are some harvester ants, okay. So what they do, they collect the seeds and then they store them in their nest. Some other species such as leaf cutter ants actually grow their own food by cultivating tiny mushroom gardens in their nest. So some ants like this, you know what they do, they actually grow their own food by, you know, cultivating mushroom gardens, tiny, little in size, very little in size, mushroom gardens in their nest. Each ant colony has one or several queens. So every ant colony has one or more than one queen. A queen's job is to lay eggs. So the queen ant lays the eggs, okay. Most of the members of the ant colony are workers. They are the workers. The workers build the nest, search for food, care for the young ants and fight enemies. So this is the work of the workers, and the queen's job is to lay eggs, the workers' job is to build the nest, search for food, care for the young ants and fight their enemies, alright. So ants, you know, they develop in 4 stages, alright. Ants का जो development है वो 4 stages में होता है, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult. This is the life cycle of an ant. First egg, then it turns into larva, then pupa and then adult. Ants' eggs hatch within a few days into larvae. The larvae spin a cocoon before becoming a pupa. The pupa stage lasts about 3 weeks. The adult ant then emerges. So this is how much time it takes, you know, for an egg to finally convert into an adult, okay. जो एग है वो कुछ दिन में लार्वा बन जाता है. लार्वा एक ककून बनाता है बिफोर टर्निंग इनटू प्यूपा एंड देन द प्यूपा, यू नो, दिस स्टेज लास्ट फॉर 3 वीक्स. 3 वीक्स के बाद फाइनली द अडल्ट एंट इमर्जेस फ्रॉम दैट, ओके. नाउ अ बी कॉलोनी, दिस इज द beehive, okay. This is the beehive, this is the home of the bees, okay. A bee colony. Bees are one of the most useful of all insects. You know why? Because they produce honey. They produce honey which people use as food and beeswax, which is used in candles, adhesives and cosmetics. So honey is also used as food, and beeswax, you know, which is used in candles. Adhesives means tapes, okay, sellotapes or fevicol type of things you can imagine, and cosmetics, makeup items. 3 kinds of bees make up a honeybee colony. So there are 3 kinds of bees that make up a honeybee colony. Fine. The colony consists of thousands of workers, 1 queen and a few hundred drones. Now what are drones? So these are the male honeybees. Okay, drones are the male honeybees. Honeybees live in hives. The hive contains a honeycomb. Okay, so the hive contains a honeycomb. Now what's a honeycomb? Okay, so this is how a honeycomb looks like. Okay, a honeycomb is a mass of hexagonal prismatic wax cells which are built by honeybees in their nest to contain their larvae and store honey and pollen. Okay, beekeepers may remove the entire honeycomb to harvest honey. Worker bees build the honeycomb of wax produced by their bodies. Okay, so they build the honeycomb of wax which are produced by their bodies. The honeycomb is used to raise young bees. Okay, it is used for raising young bees and for storing their food, as we read right now. Okay, division of labor. Division means बांटना, labor मतलब काम. Okay, laying eggs is the queen's only job. Drones are present in the colony only during the summer. They depend on workers to feed them. Workers perform a variety of jobs. For the first 3 days of its adult life, a worker cleans the hive. It spends the next several days feeding, developing honeybees. The worker begins to produce wax and builds honeycomb cells. When a worker is about 3 weeks old, it begins to hunt for food. So you see the work is divided. The queen bee lays the egg. Drones are just present for about in the summer, and they depend on workers for their feeding. And workers, they perform a lot of jobs. Like for the first 3 days, being an adult, they clean the hive, then they feed the developing honeybees, and then they produce wax and build honeycomb, and finally when it is 3 weeks old, it begins to hunt for food. Okay, so now similarly when we live in a community, okay, the social behavior of an ants and bees shows us how amicably thousands or millions of little creatures live together. Now what is amicably? Okay, so amicably means friendliness, like how friendly behavior they have with the people of their community. Okay, and how they live together in a very friendly way, right? And how they share their work and they care for one another, right? So the most important thing we learn is the division of labor, like who will do what kind of work, कौन क्या काम करेगा, right? We too live in colonies and depend on one another, right? We are also living in a colony and we depend on each other for different kind of works. If all of us do our work sincerely, it will help us lead a life full of harmony and prosperity, right? So अगर हम अपना सारा काम मेहनत से करते हैं, ईमानदारी से करते हैं, सिंसियरली करते हैं, तो हम अपने लाइफ में हार्मनी और प्रॉस्पेरिटी के साथ जी सकते हैं, राइट? अ फैमिली फॉर्म्स अ स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर. फैमिली इज अ स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल दैट लिव टुगेदर, and of course they need a house to live, right? They need a house to live. All of the houses have walls. So सारे houses में क्या होता है? walls होता है, ceilings होते हैं, floors होते हैं, right? People need homes to protect themselves from different kind of factors like rain, snow, sun, wind, animals, etc. Okay, so अपने घर के आसपास देखो, आपको दिखेगा कि वहाँ पे और भी अलग अलग तरह के घर हैं. Okay, there are different kind of houses which are different in size, shape, color. Okay, and people that live near us are our neighbors. ठीक है, हम जिनके साथ कॉलोनी में रहते हैं वो हमारे neighbors होते हैं, and all the neighbors and their homes together they form a neighborhood. ठीक है, so the people living together in a colony are the neighbors, and that neighbors and their homes together form a neighborhood. All right, people living in a neighborhood need some common amenities. Okay, कुछ common चीज़ें होती हैं, कुछ basic facilities होती हैं which all of us need, right? Like water, electricity, road, park, shop, ये हम सभी को चाहिए. This is important for all of us. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी का काम चल जाएगा इनके बिना, right? So we all share these facilities, okay? And then they also share the resources which are available in the colony, in the neighborhood. हमारे कॉलोनी में जो resources available होते हैं, ठीक है, अगर हमारे कॉलोनी का पार्क है तो वो सारे जितने भी लोग उस कॉलोनी में रहते हैं वो लोग उस पार्क का यूज़ करेंगे, राइट? इफ़ दे आर एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रीज इन द कॉलोनी, सो पीपल विल हैव द फ्रूट्स एंड फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम दैट काइंड ऑफ ट्री. सो जितने भी रिसोर्सेज कॉमन होते हैं एक नेबरहुड में, ऑल द पीपल शेयर देम इक्वली, राइट? So that was it for this chapter. Let us revise. All ants, many bees and some wasps are social insects. A community of social insects is called a colony. Like ants and bees, we also live in colonies and depend on one another.